Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to edit the comments in the comment box. So what we can do is, if you have not if you have not watched the video on how to add the comments, please go through those particular video and then come back to this video so that you will be able to understand how we add the comments and then how we do the editing of that particular comment box. So to edit the comment box, what we can do is select that particular comment and then click on the edit icon, edit comment. So you will be able to edit the comment. And then press the tick mark or the post comment with shortcut key as Control Enter. And you will be able to see the comment has been updated successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tips and tricks like this.